Good morning. Today we're reading Little Boat by Thomas Docherty. The ocean is a big place and I am just a little boat. But I chart my own course and I drop my own anchor. The sea is always changing and full of dangers, but I sail on. Through terrible storms. Up and down, rolling waves. Past giant sea monsters. And around treacherous rocks in search of my friends. Together we dive down to the bottom and climb up to the top. We go round and round in circles. And never want to stop. Full steam ahead to the edge of the world. And still I sail on. Because now no ocean is too big for a little boat like me.